In today's video, let's learn about how to copy, cut, and paste content in Microsoft Word. These are basic editing tools that help you move or duplicate text, images, and other content quickly. So fast forward, we're gonna open our Microsoft Word. So we are just going to continue with the document that we have been using for our lesson. So now, yesterday we looked at select. So at this point, I would assume that you guys know how to select. So for example, let's select this paragraph. To select the paragraph, we are going to triple click. And after that, we are going to copy, we are going to press Ctrl C, or we are just going to right click, and then copy. Now, after copying, you have to paste it somewhere. So I'll just scroll down at the end of the document and I will paste. To paste, you're just going to do Ctrl V, or alternatively, you're going to right click and you're going to see paste options here. You can do paste and keep the formatting, or you can merge formatting or pasting a picture. So we are going to use this option, which is the first one, and that is it. Now, if we want to cut the document, for example, the one we just pasted, we are just going to highlight it and then we are going to press Ctrl X and it's gone. Now, when you're cutting, you can cut and paste again. So if you want to paste this that we have cut, we can just come here, let's say here, press enter, and then I do Ctrl V. It will paste it right there. So now here is my bonus tips for you. When you're selecting, you can just right click the selection, which is easier, or choose copy or cut and right click where you want to paste it and then just paste. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do and undo.